Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool GLASS-DOOR part #WPW10535793. Whirlpool GLASS-DOOR part #WPW10535793 is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is a genuine OEM part and is made of durable tempered glass. This part is used to replace the existing glass door on your refrigerator. It has a clear finish and includes the handle, hinges, and screws for installation. The part number WPW10535793 can be used to identify the correct replacement part for your refrigerator model. This part helps keep food fresh and safe by providing an airtight seal between the interior of the refrigerator and the outside environment. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement door handle for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to replace broken or damaged door handles and can help fix issues such as difficulty opening and closing the refrigerator door or a loose handle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the existing door to the refrigerator frame. 3. Carefully lift off the existing door and set aside. 4. Place the new Whirlpool GLASS-DOOR part #WPW10535793 onto the refrigerator frame, making sure that it is properly aligned with the frame and that all of the mounting holes line up correctly. 5. Securely fasten the new door to the refrigerator frame using screws provided with your new door. 6. Plug in your refrigerator and test out your new Whirlpool G. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.